Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Today we have a classic southern side dish for you. We're going to be doing a little corn pudding. We'll take these ingredients here and get to mixing. All right, I'm going to add my eggs in first. So I've got my 5 eggs in, just going to start whisking that. So now I'm going to add my milk. We're going to add butter and our sugar and cornstarch. Then we're going to whisk that up really good, get everything incorporated together. Once that mix is good to go, we're going to start adding in our corn. I'm going to start with the whole kernel corn and add in our cream corn. So I've got everything incorporated here. I'm going to bring in my casserole dish, and we're just going to add it to the dish. So that's a perfect fit in our enamel casserole dish from Carolina Cooker. All right, so we've got our tabletop grill heated to 400. We're going to use that as our oven today. I'm going to open it up. Slide our casserole in, nice and careful not to spill anything. And we're gonna close the lid 1 hour and we'll be good. Okay, it's been an hour. We're gonna check on our corn pudding now. Let's open the grill here. So we've got a nice golden brown, delicious corn pudding. Okay, so looking at this, we've got some browning around the edges. That's what we want, nice golden brown on the center. Classic southern side dish. This is corn pudding made in our tabletop grill using our enamel casserole side dish. I'm Jason with Carolina Cooker. Let us help you navigate all the seasons, both in the field and in the kitchen.